I'm jigging. It's following me. You see that? Got it. Oh, dude. Oh, it's big. It's big. Oh, dude, it's a giant sheephead.
I saw it. Sheephead?
What state record?
Yeah,
look at that. Come look at the mouth.
Swallowed it.
Never had so much fun catching sheephead. Oh, jumped right there. No, there's bigger jumps over here though.
What is that?
I don't know, there's bigger jumps. Nope. Oh, dude, there's big fish right here.
Oh.
Look.
What?
There's a bunch of big fish under the... Oh, there we go.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Spot lock, huh? Look at that white bass, dude! White bass, dude! Oh, let's go!
You got it, dude.
Yeah. But what is that dude doing?
Fish.
What is that?
Giant, dude.
Giant sheephead?
I don't know.
Holy crap. Mom, what is it?
Okay, I'm gonna make it come up. Okay, it's coming up.
Holy crap. Jerk, come down here, Jerk. You feel head shakes at all or just swimming?
probably drying.
That shit.
Chico, he's probably drying.
What if it's this giant log, dude?
No, it's moving. You know, it's pulling you back, see? I'm just scared it's a giant turtle.
I'm curious. Sit down.
It's been about 5 minutes already.
I know. My arms are dying out.
Ready?
It's running now?
Yeah, it's running.
I just want to see it, you know? What the? Look at it. Look at it. Oh my gosh.
Bro.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Bro. Dude, imagine if that was a fish, dude.
Dude, it'd be a giant fish.
Shit, motela, huh?
You wasted all that energy.
Oh, man.
Oh, chaos.
Oh,
No,
rock bass.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Does it have teeth? Nope. Okay.
Got it. Hey, Jer.
Woo!
Lift it.
This is your phone, right?
Oh, it's a sheephead.
Sheephead? Oh, cool.
Sheephead.
Go ahead.
Why do I always catch the sheephead?
They're diving.
They're diving, dude.
We're diving. This is where we were. Stop. Let me do this. Do this. I'm ready. Give me one.
How vertical did it? Oh, big.
Is it? Boom, boom, let me get the net.
Jake, you want to cook it?
Hold on, dude. How are you going to ask me if I want cookies?
I'm just trying to reward you.
GoPro, turn on. Turn on, GoPro. Let's go. Say GoPro, turn on.
No way.
You know what?
Oh, that's giant. Oh, that's a carp. It's an Asian carp.
Wow.
I can feel hooks like almost snapping off. It's coming.
I'm gonna jump and slap.
Or here. Oh, dude, it's a giant sheephead.
I saw it. Sheephead?
It's a giant sheephead.
Sheephead, what's the difference? Oh, it is! I saw it! Holy! Why is that so
Oh my
big?
gosh.
Oh my!
Gosh. Oh, this is huge.
Stop, Daddy!
Hey, look at that.
You go! Look at that!
On the Fox River rod. Let's go.
Fox River rod. Here we go.
Is that bigger than mine?
Yeah, dude.
How much did mine weigh?
GoPro.
Did Todd catch one like this?
Yeah, talk on one like that.
Give me pliers. Right on the corner.
Damn.
I don't know, that thing's gonna hold.
Holy! You can't. I couldn't even hold it.
How many pounds?
Oh, that's it. Almost 7.
6.94.
No, I want to hold it. No! Hey, that was a nice one, though.
Handled it really well on the Fox River rods. If you want to get your own, JKV10, get 10% off. Let's go. On the blade bait right there. See that?
Where is that?
Right here?
That yours falling?
I'm jigging. It's following me. You see that? Got it. Oh, dude. It's another big sheephead. It's coming up. Oh, it's running. It's running. Wait, let me get back there. Let me get back there.
And slip.
Meme, we need to get you. We need you to get out, Meme. Oh my gosh, it's going so far.
Don't pay too much to it.
Spot lock it. Actually, chase it down. Oh, I feel hooks coming off.
Do you have drag on?
Yeah, I'm holding the drag. Hold up. I have this one going. Yep.
Holy shit.
Oh, my arm is burning.
Let me do it.
No, Ty, you're gonna lose it.
I caught my own sheephead. It was 6 pounds. I could do this one.
God. Dude, this one's heavy. Oh my God. It's still going.
Holy!
No, it's so random.
Pretty far. You came pretty far.
Yeah, dude. Okay, it's coming up. Trolling motor's off?
Yep.
Right here, right here. Oh my God! Holy! Oh my God! Holy! Oh man! No way! Jerry, you're gonna drop your phone. Come over here. What the heck?
Oh my god.
Okay, move. Oh my gosh.
Why is it peeing?
Oh, I don't know what to say. What state record?
22 pounds,
Holy crap.
25 pounds.
This has got to be 15.
Yeah. That's at least a 10.
Oh my god, I'm shaking. Dude, the other one was 7.
Yeah.
This is like 13.
Feels like twice.
Yeah.
He's squirted.
Oh my gosh. I am so scared.
Are you?
Look at it. Look at that.
Holy cow.
Look at that. Come look at the mouth.
Swallowed it.
Holy crap.
Oh,
For reals?
19.
I guess it's not the same.
18. 98.
Stand up there.
State record is 22.
Let me see. 35 pounds.
35.
Yeah.
Dang.
Oh gosh, look at this.
Yeah, no way this is state record, but this is huge. I don't even know how to hold this thing no more.
Oh gosh. There.
Oh my god.
That is massive.
Hurry up.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Woo! That's the biggest damn sheephead I ever caught in my life. Got it. On the fall. It's crappie. Is it white bass?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude, they're right in front of the pillar.
Or Joe hold it.
Here, hold them out. You got one? Mama, mama. Dude, this is a big one.
You might need that.
Dude,
Oh my god.
start recording with your phone.
Oh, it's just a sheep outside. I hate sheephead.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Sheephead.
No, yeah.
99%.
Ready?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes. Yes, leave it. I'm drinking.
Where am I looking at?
Oh, that's fine.
I don't know, just look. It's coming, it's coming. Jer! Don't throw it, Jer. Oh shit.
Exactly.
Feels like another sheephead, man.
That's a lot. It hurt my bones when it hit.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh. There's a sheephead.
Sheephead. Sheephead.
It's smaller.
Who's seaweed?
Yeah, it hit seaweed right there.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. Dude, I swear, this is going to be like an 8-pounder. I want my.
It's a sheephead. No, that's seaweed.
That's seaweed. Seaweed and fish.
Driving the fish to you?
Oh, dead, huh?
You didn't even fish it.
That's another 10-pounder, dude.
Okay, come on.
I'm not gonna hold it. Nice
Yeah.
job.
I'll hold it for you.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, right in the mouth.
Boy.
I've never had so much fun catching sheephead.
Did it poop?
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, Dad, cut this.
778 is bigger than your other one, dude.
Now let's see. Make sure to see.
Yeah.
See you later. Later.
There it goes. Well, that is it for this amazing evening. We did not get any white bass, but the sheephead was fun. And I think that's the first time I could say that. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.
We only got one white bass.
Only one white bass.
Next time.
Say goodbye to the white bass.
This is the only one for today.
I got a minute.
This is like a
Shake up all the rules, pretend like they were